Hello, welcome to Academic School. Well, do math problems still make you feel stuck and stressed and you've started hating math? Let me tell you, let me, give you a sigh of relief. I am introducing a fantastic tool that can help you in resolving your math queries in seconds. Whether it's basic arithmetic or complex algebra, solving math problems can be challenging. And that is why I'm introducing this incredible MathTutor AI tool. Yes, MathTutor is your go-to solution for all your math problems, from quick answers to detailed step-by-step explanation. MathTutor makes understanding math concepts way easier and enjoyable. To access this incredible tool, all you need to do is you have to click here, which is MathTutor. Once you click on it, you have to select the grade level you're in. Let's say you're in 7th grade. So you've selected that. Then we have to pick the topic. So my topic is trigonometry. All right, trigonometry. Then answer type, I want a full result. All right, and my question, my math question is, if sin x equals to 3/5, yes, and x is an acute angle, not working.